Hey, good afternoon. I am back. This one has been done for some time, and I keep putting things on the back burner. So here we are. This is my dedicated to my cousin, Bob Whitmore, because he owns a farm, and I think that is the most awesome thing. And he takes fantastic pictures and posts them, and they are just wonderful. So he is the inspiration behind this. It is made from a clasp envelope, manila envelope. We got lace on the spine and, that stuff, muslin. And we got some vintage pieces of doily and a bowl pin with a little bead and a little churn. This is dedicated to farm animals, so various farm animals. This, I have one at the front and one at the back. They were both made by my friend Angelica when we did a swap. So I put them in here because they're so pretty. So we have a pocket, front of the book, with a beautiful cow. And on the inside, we have a Rolodex card with a cow. And then I have these awesome images. I have the original pictures, and then I've just scanned them of a place in Norway back in the 30s, and it looked like some hay fields and something that would be on a farm. So there you go. And we have this little jar tag, journal spot from Artie Mays. Made a pocket. We stamped a sheep on some vintage music paper, and then we have this journal card. Tag. Got vintage laces on for tabs. A side tuck with a tea-dyed index card and a journal card. We have some brown paper that I tied a little tag to. Fussy cut around the hanky. Little collage in the corner on this vintage writing paper. Top tuck. So we have this journal card from Mrs. Cox, and this from a paper pad. And a little collaging on the back so you can journal there. This whole page is collaged. I've never done that before, so little girl and her chickens, so cute. And you got a little space here to journal. A tab. The cutest pig on the planet. Into a pocket. A vintage postcard from Roxy's Creation. Made an envelope. Inside there's a booklet. This comes from the paper pad. And more journaling space. Little pig. Really, there's more in here, but I really like pigs. So they were all cute. Library card. Little collaging. A side tuck that I've collaged. And flip out. Oh, her Melinda tag. Open face. That's the word. That's the phrase I wanted. Tea-dyed Vaseline envelope with the little pigs that I got from Rosemarie. Thank you, Rose. And then on the inside, a little girl and her roosters. Center of the book, we have a lamb stamp and a rooster. Another glassine bag, another envelope. This one has not been tea-dyed. It's a piece of wallpaper border and a Tim Holtz little girl. And on the inside, you have two journal cards. slippery. Another collage side tuck, and then a journal card that I've collaged together with this from Tsunami Rose, and sewn around. A lot of sewing. A rooster, and a tag with rooster on it, and this is a little pad of paper. More journaling space. It's another of those images from Norway. Isn't that pretty? It's a picture of a barn and a cow that I've stamped onto some old book page. This is a little paper clip shaped like a horse. Holding a drawing of a horse. The furriest cows you ever saw. Flips up. Arm is where the heart is. Lots of space for journaling. And a tin rooster. And an large index card that punch the corners. Collaging. Another little tag. This comes from the paper pad, and so does this. And this, isn't that gorgeous? That is from Laura's shop, Papered Soul. Isn't that so pretty? I made a tab out of it. A little bird, and it's a tuck spot for a piece of journaling paper. And in the back pocket, more of that beautiful handwork she's done. A lamb, and a lamb, and a journal card from Mrs. Cogs. And that is my latest. It'll be in my Etsy shop in a day or two. Thank you. Have a great day.